Every morning is a new adventure, and I partnered with Secret to share a moment of calm. Whenever I use their new collection with essential oils, I get taken away to a more serene existence, if only for a moment. But they have that 48-hour odor protection, so bring on the next adventure. Okay, so that was fun to film. My kids had a blast doing that. But that little intro explains what this video is about, and I partnered with Secret Deodorant to talk about 5 little ways that I make the ordinary extraordinary at home. You know, sometimes the little things make all the difference. Number 1, mornings in a bathrobe. I have so many bathrobes, silky ones especially. Robes are amazing. It's easy to slip on out of the shower, throw on in the morning, and there's something about that silky soft feeling on the skin that makes you go, yeah, I have my life together. Yeah, this is great. Number 2, I love infusing my drink. Coffee, water, cocktails, tea, you name it, I infuse it. Lavender lattes, or even better, iced Earl Grey lavender lattes. So good. And there's cucumber mint water, strawberry basil lemon water. Bye, boring water. I want a new kick now. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna see you tonight. I'm gonna see you tonight before bed because, you know, I don't want that stuff in my teeth. I brushed my teeth already. I'll see you tonight. Not in the morning, not in the afternoon. Nope, but I'll see you tonight. Okay. Number 3. Okay, so Secret Deodorant's new collection with essential oils. Oh, it smells so good. Like, I feel more like a grown-up when I put it on. Like I'm actually adulting now. I have essential oils on my armpits. Like I'm onto the sophisticated scents, you know? Coming out of the shower and then putting on some of that lavender eucalyptus. So good. Number 4. Okay, yeah, so sleeping on a pillow is great and all, but have you tried lavender drops on your pillow? Oh, life changer. If any of you have trouble sleeping or just want to improve the quality of your sleep, this is for you. So lavender oil is also said to improve your sleep. So one thing that I've been doing is putting lavender drops on my pillow. And sometimes it's a little too fragrant. So what I'll do is I'll take a bowl of water and then I have my lavender drops, put 1 or 2 in, and then I'll take a cloth. And then I'll put the cloth into that bowl, you know, soak in all that stuff, wring it out, and then take that cloth and just put it on your pillow and let it sit there for a bit. And then I'll remove the cloth, and yeah, your pillow will be a little bit wet, but let it dry. And then once it's all dry, it'll still have that lavender smell to it, but it's very subtle. It's amazing. Give it a try. Number 5, last but not least, decorate with fresh flowers. You know, I get it. Going to the market and grabbing a fresh bouquet of flowers isn't always the most convenient, and then also it's not the most cost efficient. So, I mean, what I've been doing with the kids, I mean, it's hard to do in winter, but what I've been doing is just taking a walk outside, just in our backyard, in our front. There's all these, like, you know, beautiful plants and greenery growing, so we'll just make a little tiny bouquet. And most of the time they're little wildflowers, but we'll get in some like branches and some like leaves, and we'll make these little funky cute bouquets and just place them around the house. And they're always a little different, and maybe they're not filled with the most beautiful, you know, flowers in the world, but they're still beautiful in their own way, and they're really nice to look at. Having flowers and greenery around the house is such a mood booster. And it's like, yeah, that table looks nice, but look how much nicer it looks with a vase full of beautiful flowers. Or greenery, leaves, branches, and other random stuff. So much better. So these are 5 ways that I make the ordinary a little bit more extraordinary. Major adulting right here, thank you. And let me know some ways that you guys make the ordinary extraordinary. I'll see you guys later. Mwah.